If you've been in Kajabi for any length of time, then you already know that one of the most requested features for years has been a media library. So those of us who have come from WordPress, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You're used to being able to manage all of your assets in just one place, like your images, your videos, all your files, all nicely organized and easy to find. And for a long time, Kajabi just didn't have that. Well, Kajabi finally heard us and they have released the first version of their media library. Now, if you want to stay up to date on new Kajabi product updates like this one and get some tech tips to help you grow your business and take away some of that tech stress that can come when you're running everything on a platform like this, then hit that subscribe button because that's exactly the type of content that I love to share here. Now, before I get into sharing my screen and letting you see exactly what that media library looks like, I want to be real with you, okay? There are definitely some things that I don't like about this feature, but there are things that I really do love. And I want to show you both of those things. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, right? I'm going to show you what is available right now, what I think is working well, and what I think Kajabi probably should work on. And just so you do know, Kajabi has already confirmed that the next version of the media library will include images and PDF files. So basically, any other asset that is not currently there. So right now, this first version is actually just focused on video and audio files only, okay? But honestly, I think that we need to give them a little bit of grace on that, okay? Their development team is working through things one at a time, and they're working really fast, okay? They wanted to make sure that this first version got out here and get some feedback, and they kind of want to work through the fixes and continue to build from there. So the images are coming, but they're just not there yet. So right now it's just video and audio. Now, one more thing, if you have been waiting for the Kajabi media library for as long as I have, hit the like button on this video, okay? Because I want you to know you are not alone. I want to see actually how many of us have been waiting for this one, because I feel like it's a lot of us. Okay, let's take a look at what this media library looks like as of today. So to access your media library in Kajabi, it's over here on the left side menu bar. Once you're in there, there's really not a whole lot going on this actual page. It's pretty streamlined. You can see all of the videos that you've uploaded. Now, one thing to note is that you're not going to get everything that you had previously. It's going to be what videos you've uploaded since they released the media library. So if you are someone who's been in Kajabi for a long time, all of your previous videos and audio files, they are not in this media library. You can go and put them in here, but if you have Kajabi before the release of this media library, just know that it's only things you upload from the moment that the library existed, okay? So I've got a few videos uploaded in here for an example. So what you can see here is you have the ability to tag a video, which is nice. So you can sort things. It's like putting them in folders, but they're not actual folders, but you can filter by different options here. So we take a look at the filter. We can sort by video and audio. You can sort by the extension type, so the file type. And you can also sort by any of your tags. So you can decide to group your videos, name them by course or whatever you want to do for the tagging conventions there. So you can see everything right here. Now, if you want to go and look at the details of this, you can click on the name. You can also do some actions here. So you can delete them, you can download them, you could edit the name. If the name that comes in is actually the file name, so if you don't like that file name, you can edit it here. Or you can change the tags. But you can also just click on the name of that file or of that video, and you're going to get all the details here that you can also edit. So we can add tags from this area. Okay, you can get some information about the size, duration, and what's really cool about this page is the analytics. Okay, so you get a quick little summary of a few important points like engagement, play rate, and total plays. And you can click on view analytics here. And this is a new video just released like 2 days ago. So you're not going to see a whole lot of analytics on it. But basically you can see the people. You don't get their names or their contact information, but you get their location and you can kind of see what parts of the video have they been watching. So you can see if they are skipping for specific parts of the video or if they're watching it all the way through, which is really cool. I love that piece there. Now, transcriptions, translations, dubbing, chapters, all of that kind of stuff is relatively new Not every account has this in there, so if you don't see it, don't panic. It's probably just because the plan that you have for Kajabi doesn't have it. You need to be on a higher plan, okay? So basically, you can add subtitles to your videos. You can upload your own SRT files if you want, or you can auto transcribe here using the credits that Kajabi gives you. You get 500 credits, I believe, at the growth plan. You might get more if you're in a higher plan, and you can purchase more as well. But you can auto transcribe using their AI bot with the credits that you have. You can do some translations to different languages. You can do dubbing, so you can speak in a different language, which is kind of cool. But as you can see, it's very expensive in the credits, so I'm not sure how many people are going to use that one. And you also can now enable chapters on your video as well. So you can turn that on, and then you can create a chapter. You do have to name it manually here. You can't just do it. You can't auto-populate it. It doesn't have that ability just yet, but you can scrub through your video, as you can see, and then you can add a chapter at that specific point. Okay, so there's that option in there as well. And down here is, where does this video exist in your site? So if you have this video in multiple places, this is super handy because you can actually see all the different pages this video exists on. Now, one issue that might be pretty obvious here is the location is actually showing the file name of the landing page. So this is a big miss on Kajabi's part in putting the file name being the location name as opposed to our internal landing page name. So we name our pages very specific names to identify what that page is about. And that's what needs to actually be here in this location area. So there's already a support ticket in the feedback or whatever for Kajabi to be able to change this. So hopefully in their second version, they will fix this area here, because this is useless. Like, what am I going to see here? I don't know what page that is, because almost all my pages are Encore pages. So that doesn't really help. But you can click on it and it will show you where this page actually goes. Okay, where this video actually is. Okay, and up here at the top menu here, you can change the name, you can download it, and you can delete it as well. So lots of really cool settings within here that you can see. I love the fact that it's got really good analytics. And now when it comes to adding videos to your landing pages or your courses or anything like that, if the video is in your media library, you can go and add it very quickly. Like, you don't have to go and upload it to one page, wait forever, go to another page, and then upload again and wait forever. Or in the past, if you were going to upload a recent video, you'd have to go and try to find it in this like page that was really confusing, wasn't named very well. It was really hard to find things. So this really cleans it up, and you can reuse videos in multiple places very quickly. So I'm really, really happy with that feature here. I'm looking forward to the addition of images in this media library, because we have so many images that we reuse throughout our site, like even just something as simple as our logo, right? You use it many, many times on courses and in your landing pages and all that kind of stuff. And it'd be nice to just have, you know, your best copy of your logo here on your media library, and you can just select it and place it where you want. But for now, this is what we get here in the media library as of today. So that's the first version of the media library. And I think that there's a lot to be excited about here. And I'm really glad that we finally got to have this media library, even though it's not fully developed yet. Now, if you enjoy getting an inside look into this feature and you kind of want to hear more about what I think about new Kajabi releases, then I've linked another video for you here that you can go check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you over in the next video.